How to do intervals on Strava app. Now, before anything, Strava doesn't have a built-in create structured interval workout, but you can still record intervals on Strava anyways, since it's recording every movement you do still, and eventually once you finish that workout or session of yours, you'll be able to see the analysis of the entire session, of course. So all you have to do at this point is go ahead and start your session by pressing on the plus button and get to this place. Then just go ahead and start. Of course, you're gonna make sure your GPS and or heart rate tracker are working if you're running or cycling. Start with a proper warm up and whatnot so you're ready for the interval blocks. Then just go ahead and start recording. Confirm the correct activity type as well, and then yeah, you can start your recording. At this point, you have your own interval workout that you already have prepared. So once you're going ahead and doing the session, you can try to maintain the consistent effort across each work interval. This matters for the quality of the analysis, and for beta data, avoid automatic laps as well, splitting mid intervals, since you want each work block to be consistent. All you have to do is just do your actual interval workout without having to set it up in Strava, since it will still pick up in the analysis. Then just go ahead and finish your session and stop recording. And once you're going ahead to the results, just go ahead and tag the activity as a workout or whatever it is, and put additional notes that it was doing the session as intervals, and put the interval sets or movement you actually did for that session. But again, you're gonna have to do it manually since Strava itself doesn't have a built-in create structured interval workout feature. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.